How to change online status on Zangi. Hi guys, it's Mekran. Today I am going to guide you how to change online status on Zangi. Changing online status on Zangi is quite easy. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Zangi app. Launch the Zangi app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Go to Setting. In the menu, select Setting. This will take you to the setting page where you can customize various options. Find Privacy Setting. Look for the Privacy or Online Status option. This section allows you to manage who can see your online status. Adjust your online status. Here you can typically choose from options like online, offline, last seen. Toggle off this option here. Save your changes. After adjusting your online status to your preferences, make sure to save any changes if prompted. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can change online status on Zangi. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.